Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of automotive maintenance to explore the best spark plugs of 2024. From the high-performance ACDelco GM Original Equipment 41 to 114 Iridium spark plug to the reliable NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs LFR5 AIX 114469. We'll review top contenders like the Autolite AP5224 and KXLKR6 AIX 11. Stay tuned to find out which spark plug reigns supreme for your vehicle's performance and longevity. Let's get started. Number 5. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 41 to 114 Iridium spark plug sets a high standard for motorcycle engine performance. Crafted with Iridium, this spark plug offers exceptional engine idle stability and smooth operation, crucial for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking optimal performance. One of its standout features is the fine wire electrode design, enabling reliable cold starting and swift acceleration. The Iridium material ensures efficient combustion, enhancing fuel economy and overall engine efficiency. Moreover, the one-piece suppressor seal effectively blocks radio frequencies that could interfere with vehicle electronics, ensuring uninterrupted performance. It also helps extend electrode life by preventing combustion leakage. Backed by General Motors, ACDelco GM Original Equipment parts undergo rigorous testing and adhere to stringent quality standards. Designed by GM engineers specifically for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac vehicles, they provide peace of mind and reliability. With its ability to burn away carbon deposits and maintain optimal engine performance, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment 41 to 114 Iridium spark plug is a trusted choice for motorcycle enthusiasts looking to enhance their riding experience. Number 4. The Autolite AP5224 Double Platinum Automotive Replacement Spark Plugs are engineered to deliver maximum performance and durability, making them an ideal choice for automotive enthusiasts seeking reliable ignition. Featuring a neck-down center electrode, these spark plugs fire quicker and cleaner, requiring less voltage for effortless starts and rapid acceleration. The full copper core electrode ensures consistent performance in all conditions, promoting smooth engine operation. Constructed with platinum-to-platinum firing technology, these spark plugs offer superior durability, ensuring longevity and reliability under demanding driving conditions. The superconductive yttrium-enhanced ground electrode facilitates efficient heat transfer, contributing to enhanced engine performance and longevity. Moreover, the platinum-enhanced high-nickel alloy side electrode maintains a precise gap, minimizing erosion and prolonging the lifespan of the spark plugs. Autolite, a trusted brand with a legacy dating back to 1936, has earned a reputation for producing high-quality spark plugs. With their commitment to innovation and reliability, Autolite spark plugs are a dependable choice for OE replacement needs. Overall, the Autolite AP5224 Double Platinum spark plugs combine advanced technology with durable construction to deliver consistent ignition performance and long-lasting reliability for a wide range of automotive applications. Number 3. The NGK 3186 TR5 GPG Power Platinum Spark Plug offers exceptional performance and durability at a competitive price point, making it an excellent choice for drivers seeking reliable ignition solutions. Featuring a fine wire platinum-tipped center electrode, these spark plugs require reduced voltage for effortless starts, smoother acceleration, and improved fuel economy. The trapezoid cut ground electrode minimizes quenching, enhancing the overall efficiency of the combustion process. With trivalent metal plating, these spark plugs boast superior anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties, ensuring long-term reliability and performance even in harsh operating conditions. The corrugated ribs effectively prevent flashover, maintaining consistent spark delivery for optimal engine performance. The NGK Power Platinum spark plug is engineered with a pure alumina silicate ceramic insulator, offering superior strength and efficient heat transfer, while the copper core aids in heat removal, further enhancing overall durability. Additionally, the triple seals incorporated into the design prevent leakage, ensuring a secure and reliable seal. Designed to operate over a wide heat range, these spark plugs resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, promoting long-lasting performance and reliability. With its patented triple gasket sealing process, the NGK 3186 TR5 GPG Power Platinum spark plug eliminates the possibility of combustion gas leakage. offering peace of mind to drivers and ensuring consistent ignition performance in diverse driving conditions. Number 2. The NGK 4469 LFR5 AIX 11 Iridium 9 spark plug represents a pinnacle of performance and durability, offering an exceptional upgrade over OEM spark plugs with a lifespan extending up to 40,000 to 50,000 miles. Engineered for fuel-injected and turbo engines, these spark plugs feature a fine-wire iridium center electrode and nickel alloy terrain electrodes, maximizing engine power and torque while ensuring long-term reliability. The precision laser electrode construction ensures consistent spark delivery, promoting smooth engine operation and enhanced performance. Designed for the performance enthusiast, the NGK9 Iridium series plugs boast a fine wire center electrode for high durability and stable spark production. With trivalent metal plating, these spark plugs exhibit superior anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties, ensuring longevity and performance even in demanding conditions. Corrugated ribs prevent flashover, maintaining consistent spark delivery for optimal engine performance. The NGK 4469 LFR5 AIX 11 spark plug also features a pure alumina silicate ceramic insulator for superior strength and heat transfer, while the copper core aids in efficient heat removal. Triple seals prevent leakage, ensuring a secure and reliable seal for consistent ignition performance. Overall, the NGK 4469 LFR5 AIX 11 Iridium 9 spark plug offers unparalleled performance and durability, making it an ideal choice for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking to optimize engine performance and reliability. Number 1. The LKR6 AIX 11 spark plug by KX is a game-changer for vehicle performance, offering exceptional quality and reliability. Designed to fit a wide range of models including Altima, Rogue, Sentra, Versa, and more, these spark plugs are engineered to enhance your driving experience. One of the standout features of these spark plugs is their ability to deliver faster starts. With a refined center electrode pole and concentrated spark energy, they ensure better ignitability, reducing the risk of misfires and providing a smoother engine operation. In addition to improved performance, these spark plugs also contribute to fuel economy. The 1.1 mm fine wire iridium center wire tip design promotes sufficient combustion, effectively reducing carbon accumulation and optimizing fuel consumption. Moreover, the external sealing gasket prevents combustion gas leakage, further enhancing fuel efficiency. Durability is another key aspect of the LKR6 AIX 11 spark plug. With a double iridium firing pin and ground electrode pin, these plugs boast a lifespan of up to 100,000 miles, offering 4 times longer service life compared to standard copper plugs. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability, making them a smart investment for any vehicle owner. Overall, the KX Double Iridium Spark Plugs 4-pack is a top choice for those seeking superior performance, fuel efficiency, and longevity for their vehicle's engine. With its impressive features and compatibility, it's a must-have upgrade for a wide range of vehicles.